Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Reverse FS. Today I'm going to teach you about market orders. I will explain everything into details about how to use the market orders or how to place your pending orders. So our pending orders is the buy limit, the sell limit, the buy stop, and the sell stop. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the MT5 or MetaTrader 5. So quickly, let's see our MetaTrader 5. This is my MetaTrader 5. Please, if you don't have it on your phone, you can go to the Apple Store or the Play Store and download it. Okay, so I open my MT5 or MetaTrader 5. So when I open it, this is the interface. This is the very interface that opens to me. So quickly, we want to set our buy limit. We want to set our buy limit as a pending order. So we all know that when you want to set your buy limit, it will always be at a down here. Always be at a down here. That should price comes down, price should come and peak liquidity or price here, or price should come and trigger your buy limit and moves up. So when price triggers it and moves up, that is where you begin to make money. So quickly, what I will do is that because I want to get the accurate price level where that I can set my pending order, my buy limit, I want to get the accurate price or accurate level that I can set my buy limit. I'll go and pick this plus sign here, this very one. So I'll just click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to give me a vertical and a horizontal line. So I'm going to pick the horizontal line. So when I pick it, I'm just going to drag it at this level or any level that's being given to you, or any level you know that when price comes down, price sells down, price will come and turn at that very level or at that very price level or at that very zone. So per my knowledge or per my technical view, I know that should price comes down to this very level, price is going to 10. So I'm going to place my buy limit around this range. So what I'll do is that when I put the horizontal line here, it's going to give me a price. This is the price that is given to me. This very one, that is the price that is being given to me. So what I'll do is that quickly I'll write it down. I'm going to write that price down. The price is 1.29675. So that's the price given to me. So after that, I have to also check my lot size. I'm going to make a video explaining what is lot size, how to use your lot size, risk management, everything. But for now, I want to use 0.1. I want to use 0.1. So can you take notice of that one too? Your lot size too. So after I've written the number down, what I'll do next is I'm going to click on this very icon that looks like a zero or like a circle, this very one. So I will just click on it. So when I click on it, this is the interface that will open, or this is what has come again, this very one. But for now, we don't need the sell limit, the SL, and the TP. So what I'll do is that I'm going to click on this very blue arrow. So I'll just click on it. So when I click on it, this is the interface that will open again. This very interface that opens again. But we don't need the sell limit now. We want to set the buy limit. So what I'll do is that I'm going to click on this very side. So I'll just click on it. When I click on it, this is the drop down menu that comes. The market execution, the buy limit, the sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to use only the buy limit, the sell limit, the buy stop, and the sell stop. So because we want to set our buy limit, I'll just go and click on the buy limit. So when I click on the buy limit, then quickly what I'll do is that I'm going to input the price here, this very place. I'll just input the price here. The reason when you input the price here, or when you input a correct price here, what will happen is that this thing the place will turn to white. This very one, it will turn to white. So the reason why it didn't turn to white is because this very price here is incorrect. So what I'll do is I'm just going to clean it. I'm just going to delete it. So when I delete it, I'll enter my price. So the price here is 1.29675. So that's the price. So after I input my price here, what I'll do is that I'll just go and click on the place. So I'll just click on place. So place. So I've clicked on the place. So when I go back to the market, the chart, this is where my buy limit is, as you can see. So should price comes down, price will come and trigger my buy limit here. So this is the buy limit, as you can see. This is the buy limit that I've placed here. That should price come down, price should come and peak, or price should come and trigger my buy limit here. So should price come down, price will come and trigger my buy limit here. and should price go up, that is how I'll begin to make money. Okay, so quickly let's go to the sell limit. The sell limit. So we all know that the sell limit will always be at the top. So we are going to set our sell limit at this very zone, this very minor zone. That should price go up, price should come and trigger our sell limit and comes down. So when price trigger our sell limit and comes down, that is where we are going to make a whole lot of money. So quickly, the same process, we are going to pick this very plus sign over here. So I'm just going to click on it out. So when I click on it, it gives me the vertical and a horizontal line. So I'm going to use the horizontal line to determine my level or my price. So I prefer to set it here. That should price come around this level, price should come and trigger my sell limit and comes down. So when price comes down, that is how I begin to make a whole lot of money. So I'm just going to write the price down, my sell limit price. So the price there is 1.30023. So what I'll do is that after getting the price, I'll go to this very place, I'll go to this very place. So I'll just click on it, this very icon. Then I'll go to the blue arrow here. Then I'll click on it. So when I click on it, and already our sell limit is already there. If it's not there, you just click one side, then it will come, then you pick it again. So that's it. So I'll just go and enter the price there, the price that we pick for the sell limit. So the price is 1.30023. So after that, you see the place here become white. So it means that the number we input here is correct. So I'll just click on it. Yeah, done. So after that, if you go to the market, this is our sell limit. So we anticipate that should market come to this level, market should come and trigger our sell limit here, and should market come down, that is where we are going to make a whole lot of money. So that's it. So quickly, let's go to our buy stop. Let's go to our buy stop. Let's go to our buy stop. So what has happened is that we are going to set our buy stop around this region. Our buy stop, we will set it around this region. That should the market rally to the up and market was able to break this up to further come to maybe this level, that is where you see that our buy stop is going to trigger and we begin to make a whole lot of money. So should the market range here up, down, up, and breaks here and break this very zone, breaks it here, and price trigger our buy stop and moves further up, that is where we are going to make a whole lot of money. So quickly, I'll just go and pick this plus sign here. I'll just pick it. So when I pick it, I'll drop it, I'll drag it to this place. Let's say this place is okay. So I'll just pick the number of head. The number is 1.30036. 30036, 1.30036. So what I'll do is that I'll go to this very point, this very icon, I'll just click on it. When I click on it, I'll go to the arrow again. I'll go to the arrow, click on the arrow. So when I click on the arrow, I'll click on one side, drop down menu came, and I'll go to the buy stop. So when I go to the buy stop, I'm going to go to the price, this very one price. Then I'll input the number there, our buy stop order. I'll input. So the price is 1.30036. So after that, because the number is correct, that's why you can see that the place become white. So I'll just click on place. I'll click on place. So when you go to the market, you can see our buy stop is there. So should the market rally all the way up to this very level and trigger our order and goes further up, that is where we are going to make a whole lot of money using the buy stop pending order. So that's it. So quickly, let's go and use the sell stop order. So the sell stop order is also the same thing. We are going to place our price around here, the sell stop around here. We'll place our pending order, the sell stop around here. That should the price break this very level and comes down, price should come and trigger our sell stop here, move further down. That is where we are going to make a whole lot of money. So what I'll do is that I'll go and pick this very plus sign here to give me a very good price, to give me an accurate price. So let's say market rally all the way down and break this very zone. The market should come and trigger the order and moves further down. That is how we begin to make enough profit. So I'll just use this very plus sign to pick my price. The horizontal line is given to me is 1.296. 607. So quickly what I'll do is that I'll go to this very icon, then I'll click on the icon. When I click on it, then I'll go to the arrow over here. I'll go to the arrow, this very arrow over here. So I click on the arrow. So when I click on the arrow, this is the price given to me. So I'll just go and choose my sell stop. So that's it. And I'll go to the price and go and input my price there. So I'm going to clean this very one and input my price. So so the price given to me is 1.29607. So I'll input the 1.29607. Then I'll come and click on place. I'll come and click on place. So that's it. So you can see our sell. You can see our sell stop around here. So should the price break this very level and moves further down, it's going to trigger it our sales stop here. And when price comes down, that's where we are going to make enough money. So thank you for watching this video. Can you subscribe to this channel? I'll be dropping more educative and insightful content here. Thank you for watching. Peace out.